Good morning, guys. Thank you for clicking and welcome to another vlog. Welcome to Victor Gatobu's vlog. So I want to remove this seat and this seat from the car so that we can have a flatbed, so that I can be able to store some things I want to carry, guys. Stay tuned and keep watching the vlog to see what's next. So I'm going to use this spanner to remove this. That, then I'll be able to remove the seats. I finally managed to remove the middle seat. Now we have space. As you can see, we have a lot of space to carry my things so that I can move out. Because remember, in the previous video I had resigned. I'll need to be moving out of my house and going back home. So that's the space. It's gonna fit a table, a bed, mattress, and other things. As you can see, the car is huge enough. So let's go get my things and move out. It's gonna be an awesome trip. Let's go, guys. Yeah. Unajua kuendesha gari? Gari. Driving school. Top gear driving school. Bwana nini? Wanga tuna record. Hii ni tricky kidogo. Tricky kidogo kurecord na hii. Ni sawa tu. Olotepes. Naombewa lift mbali. Na baby Range Rover. Oh man, guys, the car is so full. I don't think I'm even going to use the rear view mirror. Can't see anything. I still have some space there. So I'm moving out of this place. I'll be going back home, guys. Let's go. Machine imebeba. Sasa heupi tatufikisha tu salama. Haitafika salama. Sasa hapa ukipata pancha mbaya. Joseph mume hivi kwanza. Cheki wa machine. Inakuja hii. huwa natoka hapo Koro. Hapo kunaitwa Koro ama Korompoi. Na drive mpaka hapa hivi. Unaona ndio hii shule hapa. Hata si mbali. Sasa ni kuishi hao sasa. Unaona iko tu hapa. Ndio hiyo mabati ya red. Ndio hiyo hapa. Goodbye KAG till we meet again. Friends Ranch. Friend Machoka.
She once DM'd me on Instagram. She was like, "Hey, I see you working. You wake up so early."
Ameka paka kofia yake anapenda kuvaa sana ya. Hiyo good father.
Then I'm interested in
Aye. Wait. Hiyo BMW ndio ilikuwa imesimama hapo. Si overtake. Usi overtake. Let's go. Just checking out a few things and confirmed everything is fine. Nyama Range Rover. Olotepes. Police.